As I'm going to pay attention on this video, can you come give on the Igbo women and the women going to pay attention on this video? The same the kind of hatred this thing go see shows that we have a long way to go as Ndigbo. Okay, for this thing, man, has exposed the kind of hatred not in midst of some of us. Jesus Christ, even some things here for online, man, this saying as Soludo, the church we London ego. That in a Soludo low that thing in the world church cover no money laundering. The world church cover your baby may pay the thing called the church law. Man, this in go offering her, offering tithe, and it didn't go on before. Only the queen have a Christian or seen see go offering her and tithe her, we tie that to Zan. Na keke is a lucha that in that place, I'll lose. Or you more hair ka galaman nage we look at that place. Sometimes you people should have to go do something, some sentiment aside, have to go do something so no and somebody say, na Soludo, Bezuka be well the thing, we may be campaign. On we go see we see no ni have behind the abga. When we do see vote for Soludo, okay, we may hear Soludo that place or hear election that place. Sometimes in any nasi get in oka one akwa maka or home make amalande bonde. Just like Wokonyo Chaha Babumba, like 2 weeks ago, Charles Clark, Charles Click, Ababu. It now started exposing the kind of hatred to the Niemen yourself on their own. That is why now for the record now for like 4 days and pay attention to that in 4 days ago and check it out in and I'm working at over 1,800 and something people 130 something before has lost their job because of their social media comment regarding that man Ebuka. 1,833 people lose go their job. My doctors, man the police, man the civil servant, my soldiers, including a Elon Musk Tesla data analyst. Elon Musk I begin to ask Nigeria, why are people sacking them? Some people need to be held responsible for their actions. You don't know how is it leading people astray and how damaging it can be to somebody. You hide there behind the keyboard and so many people are still going to lose their job, including Jimmy Nwanne show has been cancelled on Obodo Igbo. One of their superstars again he's begging people to go and watch his movie because all his books in the library has been removed because of his comment on me. Because of the comment on me. This guy, he also na this thing be important Canada. They pick all these people. At the end of the month, government they will go there with their government check to go and receive allocation government because of they are old and they cannot take care of themselves again. So an avenue was created for them to be taken care of. Man, and the Biden needs hello no name some of you. Hello no name.
So these days I don't want to, or rather I decided not to always put my energies in all this unnecessary saga, unnecessary trend, most of this nonsense topic. I don't even know what to call it. I decided not to shift my attention anymore, especially on all these social media useless talks, So when I talk or when I try to involve myself in a particular trend or a particular statement or a narrative from some people, just know that is strong enough to take some part of my attention. Yeah, this afternoon, like I said on my video, I saw some people trying to push a kind of a stupid narrative. A lot of them, I don't want to be mentioning their names. I don't want to post them on my page, you know. But the more reason why I try to correct some of this impression is because some of you or some people out there are trying to buy that idea of what Evangelist Ebuka gave to Anambra State is not what the Anambra State needed. Like a lot of people are saying that, like I said, all those ones he built in Imo State and you know, doing whatever. What are they calling it now? Orphanage homes and bringing Zion City to Imo State. So Imo State are the people that deserve those ones, and Anambra people are people that deserve a psychiatric and free hospital of elderly people. You know, this guy got secretly you know. So, but the thing here is that, you know, say I have problem with Anambra people. Let me just put it that way. When you come to Southeast in general, you see, when you come to Southeast in general, like these 5 Igbo major tribes, Ndi Anambra, a typical Anambra man, a typical Anambra people are very tribalism. In fact, they are racist. I'm saying it with my full chest. When it comes to these 5 major states we have in Southeast, a typical Anambra person go tribalism nisi. I saw one idiot that commented, must you make everything competition? You guys are the ones trying to push that narrative, because for me, I don't give a fuck, you know. I don't care. I don't have time. Starting from, like, I don't even know where to start from. When it even come to marriage, na Anambra people, they select pass. Even their parents will always say they are the ones that we get who you gonna marry. And then pies and mice and pies and mice. You know? In terms of rent, ibinuno. Now them go select onye be onye amba achokwa m ka onye ba biri n'uno. A lot of things. But I don't want to go there. I'm not saying that they want quite good Anambarians with good heart, like people like us, you know, because Anambra will buy, yeah. But majority of these people had the very tribalism, and it's very bad. I saw a lot of them now trying to belittle all this effort from Evangelist Ebuka and say, Chibo's okay for Igbo Channels TV. I see you, my brother. Happy weekend. I can bet you that no Anambra person can ever take 20% of such project by Evangelist Ebuka. who free services out of Anambra State. I can bet with you that no mwero any Anambra gave such project, not like 1% of it out of the state for other people to benefit. I can bet on that. They would always want it to be in their not even state. That person must always want it to be in his hometown. Like his hometown. Go. Hey boy, I like area. Stand to be corrected anyway. I'm not sure no we go here Evangelist Ebuka run at his hometown. Stand to be corrected. Oh no we go, you guys can put me through, you guys can correct me. You know? Like I'm not sure no we go here Evangelist Ebuka like a massive project that can attract maybe businesses or good roads, or that will even put his hometown in the map. I don't sure no we go such like that, because all no we guy I can't be aware now. But all no we go, you guys can put me through. Now he went to a state that is not his state. The same state you know attack a crackers biscuit. The same state the majority of people na attack a donut. People na attack a kilishi. Anambra State. Like I said, I don't know what he Evangelist Ebuka na his hometown or local government, call it whatever, his community. Like maybe a massive hospital or orphanage home or free site, name it, or factory or anything in his hometown. You guys should let me know, because I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but stand to be corrected. Now he went to another state and built a massive and mega project that worth millions of naira, if not billion. Because that contain 500 beds. And put it free of charge. And some of you bastards have the mind to come to your own page to say that how we deserve no mega city, deserve one car, deserve one campagero on dozo. How many projects can page other states? You know, sometimes when I come to this social media and see some people, like I begin to question their reasonings. Like the more I think about this whole thing recently, the more I like it's not even making any sense to me. Oh, for a bam, here's comment. Say Babares, you know get talk. Me when you talk, na if no knows or you na can be again. You know? Instead of some of you guys to appreciate that gesture, nwanne, the thing is that everything is going wrong. Now, since I came to Canada, I realized that a lot of things are going wrong. Now, on the norms, if na elderly people no. Oh, how we could see any special treatment? How we could see any tira no fuma? You could see na hapwa kana on a street. You know, if you don't have for the street, how can we see? Oh, go on and forget in Docha, eh? You got for like that's no, not Ghana street that. If all these homeless people, some of them get a dinner nose on a hora. If I'm mad or just buy na eatery or buy McDonald's, buy a banner in your package, any with him man yourself, be a drop one on ya. Only I just go tomorrow na na hora. Oh na, if you know it, police, I go like all these people, I go be a buronya. You know? Only nke Naganos or like some of these people this is homeless or you see this only nke me ora if we edge do na he treat here get here of ma because no matter what onye ahụ nwe ebe o sepụta the fact that onye ahụ bụ onye ara doesn't mean that no nwe ebe o sepụta or na life ya adịghị important. You know, I be elderly people. You got a bank every month, end of the month. If I will government check it, bia we charo ego government na every month. Elderly people. You know, but when they buy, you always see people like that as in the name was the future. On the nke ha Google, don't we see hejime. Forgetting that no one can see pick you on yahu. Take care of onya, netonya hanya. That person will always come back as a normal human being. That is the reason why some of you are seeing that project Evangelist Ebuka Nazareth Ministry and Seraphim Foundation build as now a boy and number need or how are we able to at Indiana? How I was Imo State, mega city, whereby each gusta some of you the useless. You know? If you go see now, many of you on Aburu no. You don't say you don't tell why I talk on video. Recently, I just decided to be watching you guys. You know, and I just decided to Saga to be looking at you all. I talk on the case, on the issue, what on my time, the weight. You guys should know that no Hokuri candidate on Oku on a daketa window, Hane Kuna, Fumos, buy my ring light na Chawa on your own azu, Nkaho Natu Jonuna, he come Gabia. So recently I decided Kahaporo some people, some bloggers name Kofuma, all this small akam case, let them be treating it. Kahane discourse here. But I will always come, or rather, I will always come out. Come now, in Amuamu. I will always come out to address those who are Susirike, those ones most of you will not have liver to address because of one or two persons are involved. Maybe 2 by 2, bia. Carry everybody as well. I don't give a fuck. I told me money. So that is the reason why recently a lot of things are going on. I will just be looking at you. You know, some people are giving good opinion and other things. But the thing is, Kedonye Ndigbo buy here. If Ndigbo buy, how come Ndigbo just jail? Igbo, Akuko. I no get talk, I no get talk. Oko na, kosi ebido. Nde, emasige ndocha na eme nka ndocha iya for onye nambara na ba ndocha the races ndocha me nka heme nka ha nwa bu ya n'isi. Nke ndị ọcha na-eme wo small thing to compare nke onye oji na-eme onye oji ibe ya. You know? Yeah, this man can hear now. Check the queer. Iga watch is ndị Anambra nke ndị na-emetu nwa ajai ihe ekpere a ihe ministry a ka ebido dị na nke ndị fada ihe afụrụ onye nke nwetu nwa obere avenue onye nke nwetu nwa obere opportunity to extend those kind gesture. A prophet, a clergy, a priest kwesịrị ị lend that to people, to less privileged, to like humanity. If you know ihe most of them na-azụ nke pụta last time ọ sị na ihe kwesịrị inye ha, ihe kwesịrị inye anyị, ihe kwesịrị inye anyị, ihe kwesịrị inye anyị, ihe kwesịrị inye anyị. Greedy motherfuckers. Ị na-achọ ịgwa m na onye dịka Nwebe Joy aka ihe kwesịrị inye anyị, ihe kwesịrị inye anyị. Ka ebe nna agba masị ebe nna agba ga-anọkata buru this kind of project, 10% of it. What are you driving? What are you driving? Ozuo. Idiot. Kwenu manja, ona mama break now. Ona can keep in up na street. You just mopped like Jesus. Yeah, the kind of accident day before yesterday, I wasn't on live. The kind of accident you witnessed when I was going to, I think when I was going to work. Yeah, these people had also airbag barumbasa. Room like this. Some of these people now are moto condition is okay. Impatient. It's in a street, you know that I'm on the main way. I have the way. These people are moto. I'm not the main way. I have the way. You're coming out from the street. You have to slow down. You just say from nowhere, Montana street, that cross main road. Oh, na mama shall break. You can't this man on Perry. So as I was saying, there is no way any clergy, boy a prophet, boy a whoever from Anambra will carry this massive project out of that state, out of his hometown. It's not possible. Onye ga like koro ya armekwiru onye ona hanaro kwa ihe free hataji ego ne. They will try to make the business aspect of it. Yes. They will try to make the business aspect of it. This thing shows a lot. You see this project by Evangelist Ebuka and the other things also know them. Okay, let's just hold on to this one and be making our analysis. It shows that now he's totally different from all these people. Now, pastor, prophet is because one, it shows that he's not after money. Two, it shows that tribalism. You know, because no matter how much you think an Igbo man have, Igbo man still need money. For one idiot to screenshot to post, post to man as he's cashing out. He's cashing out this one, that one. Hey, I wouldn't have things here, man. You know? No matter how much, for those of you that say he's cashing out this one, that one, maybe with the money, Diego can. No matter how much an Igbo man have, Igbo man still need money. But man still want to do business. You know? So if indeed that he is after that money or whatever he have or anything, he would never build such projects and keep it for free. I don't know how to put this thing into context so that people will understand what I'm saying. It shows that he mean good to Ndigbo and also Honandi neme awumonye ba nka ndị ba eme nka ndị ba ekwesi ime nka or side nka kwesi, like, come on. Because mwa no nwe mwa ezigbo nwa afọ Igbo. I don't like you. Me, I don't go carry such project, go build outside, go build for another state. Tier free. As I did like this, I don't feel run them. But for a man like him to come out and do it, come on. You bastard need to appreciate him. Sometimes, always on certain things, say Gafo, instead of you to come out and be displaying your stupidity just to make you on. I'm telling you guys the honest truth. Sometimes as a person, always on certain things, say Gafo from one year who not like her. When he feel that all the men can show in also things say Gafo only how do na game. This of we got put any query image on. Chineke agbaga ọkụ. It takes a lot to see somebody like Evangelist. In fact, people like Evangelist Ebuka are only 3 in Nigeria. Somebody like Evangelist Ebuka, people like them are only 3 in Nigeria. 2 people died in 1985, remaining only him. They are only 3 in Nigeria, 2 don't buy. Only him remain. I mean they talk up. Because one day, what are you telling me? What are you not saying? So some of you na rant. Feel the need make or need a kuoku, Kafuka in a kuoku, Kifil Kafi could make sense. You are an idiot. Ewo no a fulefu. Again, quoi? You nani, but God on go on. These people say. The idiot to park here, the motor. Park here. Just not park the motor there. Park here freeway. It takes a lot to see somebody like Evangelist Ebuka. This one maybe say, you are talking about him, he was a Zion person, this one, that one. Even me as a Zion person, I don't go carry such project out of my state. No, you also got to heaven on you. Heaven yes, I gozi. Yes, man. You know? It takes a lot to see people like Evangelist Ebuka in Niger. That is the reason why I said, all Ndigbo buy my ihe. Yeah? If all Ndigbo buy my ihe, ha ga-eji aka na abu jide Evangelist Ebuka n'ụkwụ. Ha ya woru anyukwu a Igbo oke bitter heart here, trying by all means to pull him down. Now take a crackers biscuit week in week out. All Ndigbo buy my ihe, ha ga-eji aka na abu jide Evangelist Ebuka n'ụkwụ. Because he's as if no yawa number one person now like na represent Ndigbo, or number one person now make it who in terms of no ebe Ndigbo now tori ikwu okwu na Nigeria or who Evangelist Ebuka na abia there. People like there is no way a government gari gente with the kind of troop we are up there. There is no way a government gari gente like no ya aneku. And that's why I know we have a Ndigbo or no way they be do not. All this some of umwe perima nemegase on a marenji on a menka nothing like oka this one that one. Apota manding kenogasi office. Eti anihu neso ya nazo like just no na biebediona or no case or jebediona. Let me take Mazin and the Kanu case as a case study. Oburu no guy Evangelist Ebuka chori push you. You was a Mazin and the Kalo also na actually ET meeting all the manding Senate, manding governor, manding house or only in na Southeast. Go to meeting can't chat back it on. Kamari here Mary. Deku federal government ka Mazin and the Kano pata. And don't you na emerun ko ni sine me yanka. Ko you na ba ribia we move on. Obu na eme kata. Oge ahụ. Hebrew propaganda say Evangelist Ebuka. O push that ideology. By now Mazin and the Kano ekwesigo na akọ ofuma na UK now. Mana ige jama na aburu ndị Igbo ba ya ọnụ. Ige jama if ndị Igbo aburu ndị Igbo ba ya ọnụ no nwe ata ka ịdị n'otu ofu onwe na-ata ka onye Igbo kọrọ nwanne ya aka forget ụfọdụ na-eme eye service ọ na-eme of my he's trying these are your gafe so yimi ọ dị ndị bai n'ọba ha ji propaganda so yoga ahụ asị na ọ na-support Governor Hope no ya nwa na ka ezi onye nke anọ na hey, kisi mafia. Simon Ekpa. Hanche bunye obido Evangelist Ebuka exposure. This one, that one. All these umwe perima unknown. Ona one bunye na push owe ya na egbe ho ga aga atu nka na ministry aga edu ovini igbe aga ewi ya target omenka ụfọdụ si nọkịta Nnamdi chọrọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu chọrọ ịpụta ka ọ chọrọ ka ọ pụta bịa ka ọ dị ka ya nwa akpọpụta ya ka ọ bịa rie all the glory so ya. People were saying a lot of rubbish then. Oji nnọọ nwayọ chaaro ha ka ha mesi ihe nọ dị. Today, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu pụtago. How many of them na-eje Abuja? How many of them na-ekwu okwu ka anụ? Ka ekwensu si akpọ ha ncha niile ọkụ today. Ma nke nwanụ nọ na Finland, Simon Ekpa, ma ụmụ agha ya niile ka ihe na-eme tata. It's just that some certain things, achọrọ m iti on some certain things. Ajọsọ m na-awa ọchị ha na-achị ọchị. Obinigwe jọsọ na-achịgbu ha ncha niile n'ọchị. Ka ihe na-eme today. Ọgbaghara. A na-eme ya azọ nzọ nwere onwe ha n'ebe a na-arụ mpụ na-ezuzu. Onwe chọrọ use common sense ya. Onwe chọrọ use like I don't know what to use to qualify it. Everything I hope I giri I get men if you goes you this one that one. Sometimes one kwụsị use your own number 6 we approach Jesus on certain things. You know by Igbo threatening and all the corner no na. And I'm Canada. They made my team by his God's grace. You know Naija. Eba go na piawagazo. You know na Naija ebe Tinubu na ekwo gonu na ana. Na threaten them. Menka. If I do this one, if I talk, if I menka, nige menka. Mwanka. Mmakwana nwanne. Kwechiri ya hi game me ya. And ya hi si meku na mma na eku ya hi game me ya. All head between Nigerian government na some of these people name I get menka on release ho I got crushing car. There is no peace. There is this one. There is no peace for on Abuja. Asorok Eboku na 247. Only G billions of naira is in me every month for project according to them. Buhari nke nwura anwụ ko Jubiri amanu monye nke owo. Yeah, came in threatening them. I get menka. If I didn't do this one, I go buy and I'm we need this. They will see in the buy. I say Kaka more than KG approach you for the same bar. Yeah, for more tout, irritate. Oh, I got on a bit. I need on Facebook. This one, we don't do this one. We don't do that one. Only Azuzu chako iricha. Or more gari without sugar, not water. Only I put online. Create a nuisance, cause trouble, or more gari, say, or what we know now anime. Why may buy the donor today? Oh, Nandi buy, the worth or value of Evangelist Ebuka. What Evangelist Ebuka represent in Nigeria today? How get Juakana Bujidia no like how can I do yourself? Can I do your trouser in terms of some issue? How do the man a boxer? Can do the boxers in terms of some issue that concerns Ndigbo? You know, but anyuku dia no bara, evidence dia no bara, bitter heart dia no bara. Igafu ndị nke kpọrọ onwe ha ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ndị omenala. Ifugon kisi sepota signing nke ha ndị oburu nwa ha ndị dibia na-emekwe na ụka bụ nka ego ha na-enweta since all of them are busy enriching themselves more and more, you know. Ijoziemu ihe that problem about us Ndigbo. Look at 4-story building, if I'm not mistaken, with boys quarter with like if Korea dear massive land and like it's a horn say na nkaka na enye ndị Anambra ndị Imo deserve no mega city na nka this one that one akpa amune wo sisi ngba on another stock more of, let's say na on we in such position more get or garu common boys quarter dash out or just common public toilet dash out. Some of these people around here can never Ndigbo buy the enjoy. If you see more people oh whatever Saga na onokatara msoro na-eme anyị ga-enwe ka anyị na-anọ ka anyị mee nke anamapụara gịnị yeah odi ya dị ọkwa because ndị buy we are not even ready. Okay, buy the Saga onwe buy the Saga talk more for Anambra how we have boot tribalism and isi no that things. Get a big project like this, Gerald Ndimo State. Get a public public toilet garụ ọrụ ndị Enugu or ndị Ebonyi State onye Anambra ha ọtaji ego one ọtakwalu ji ego one you know onweho none how many of them, as I was saying before, one or two amapụta m n'ihu obere ihe ka nje amụọ ya. How many of them ndị nke na-emetụ ihe ekpere church ministry like you know metụgodu that how do I put it now gịnị ka a na-akpọ dị yourself na isi meji gokwe I can't remember what they are calling it. But how many of them guys saying okay, I'm going to go do a ministry or church or whatever? They say okay, come back and see something free for you do now for public out there massively like this. You know na to side in cap ya. You know na to that personal own. When you talk to me, I got to come business aspect of it. Oh, when you got put up all those things, got in other states. So, uno fo onyala, put onyala tea neighbor, a catering tea free. Uno fo Ndiaga di nwa ya na-enwe ho uno a na-emegbe ngwa kpọtanụ ha enye no ho uno a na-enye nni a na-etiti ha 247 free onwe ogwa ha na-akwụ. Onwe ho none onwe egemi ya. Oh, ihe ga-adịgodo after o ihe kwesịrị inye anyị ihe kapụtaworo ihe kwesịrị inye anyị ihe kwesịrị na-enye anyị ihe kwesịrị na-enye anyị ka anyị na-eri apụtaworo ya a na-enye ofu onye ihe kwesịrị inye anyị. That is what most of them are after. Ekperima Fast go to motor from my bag in the face. Mogari Jalala. Okay, more Mogari Jalala. Ebubeda Bimo. Ile jare na tabo. You got follow Evangelist Ebuka. Of course, crowd is supposed to be water. Because Hammer, forget all this social media stuff. Nde manoma na Hammer nkewe eziokwu. If you go to Evangelist Ebuka and I not drag. If you go to call in a video today. If you go to call in a video today. Eh? onye ọ na cash out na eme nke a na Ebuka ego ifugo ka ọ dị ifugo ka o si akụ ifugo ka o si buo ibu na akụ fresh ifugo ya today okay ga afford anything not afford in life no be by church or church onye ya afford whatever or chori afford in life at this level now as that the GO or ga afford there. But if you go call them, you know, that's why I used to tell people. They say sometimes I just not business can only people ego or business can there is some level of all these things. If you being a good person, oboy he mother ya from oboy he ga wata munaga. You see, being a giver, being a person with a good heart, being somebody that care about people, oboy hana watana. It's not what you can form or what you can just wake up Sunday and start doing it. Or a natural thing or inbuilt. It comes naturally. You see, being a good person, it comes naturally. You know? If you are naturally. If you are not a good person, or if you are not somebody that care about people, no matter how you try to pretend, you can never maintain it for so long. You know? Because those of you now say, oh, you have business, oh, I service, this one, that one. What you go do the video of that project. I bet you, amount all those that project cost. An average Igbo man, a typical Igbo man, can never try to just buriak dating like that. Can they make for free? No matter how much you are hungry. Church is safe. Can't get it more afa. Church can never build that kind of project and put it free. I told me for any denomination afa here. Ndị nke na-achụ akiri kiri na-eri ego a na-eme nka anaghị eme nka. Hello. Are you on call? Okay. Ndị nke na-achụ akiri kwom abịa a na-enupụ isi anaghị eme nka can never ego niile most of them tiri anya. The money, they can never put it out there for poor masses to benefit. For only one to benefit. For only them we call her to benefit. For orphans to benefit. They can never do it. I would a kind of personal something. A kind of new kego. Or he get Jamana. Onye na anuso ogu adịghị eme ofu ihe with unu. Onye na fight is totally different from those of you feel na unu na hand on the same level. Bu ego. Most of you tiranya. Ego. You know? Before I start talking about it, they say because your ministry, I don't go money, I don't go watch. The first day I go to ministry. The way I'm doing my thing on social media, the way I'm talking, the way I'm saying some certain things, you should know that my kind of person is not that easy to convince. I'm not that like, let me say this before nega I don't easily trust or accept that this person is a good person. Animal watch your things, read your things, monitor things very well. It takes time for me to nature and say, man, Onya are totally different from others. Because some of you thought that blogger, the first day I went to some ministry, I just watch all of them. I now watching now on the arrange or all this, all this Lego stuff. Despite that, he is the one that came to me and asked me to come to your ministry. But I don't dare now. So come go the hand, go the myself. Because so me brother happy go on nature. Like Ono said himself, he said no pastor, he said no blogger, query, when I'm addressing most of them, you guys can attest the fact that I don't give a fuck. Because happy our mazu then. Ono said then, or even now, if you brother, pastor, because always to the extent that I don't trust no one. I wasn't can trust. I went to them and said, just a watch, can I make their thing? Move the phone, can me one or two things. Now this security, I become he bullies most. Man, he burgo yourself. Never make my thing. So what am I trying to say? I know at a home Simba. This man is innocent. This man ain't home. All people just so now take a crackers biscuit. And he's not saying anything. I say no. At least we try to correct the little impression the little way we can. That's how all these things started. And I can tell you that I'm proud that Evangelist Ebuka has remained the main person, the same person I used to see him from day one till today. Evangelist Ebuka despite the level the ministry in Aga, despite the level on Aga, because the levels of ministry we are then when I went there, it's not the level they we are today. The level they we are last year is not the same level they we are this year. He kept going higher up. The ministry, expanding everything, like spreading. But all can maintain his lifestyle, all can maintain his humanity, all can maintain his like. No way case in some of you chance unu de share by yourself, unu de share do share bossas nu. Or can he need in the gallant manager self? Okay, he need in the gallant manager. Man, I happen most of you. Unu ga do be a bossas yourself. Do retire like he still maintain himself. Oh, that the G.O.I. Abuno the level of the Ebuka Bino. Only American 100 days fasting. They like this. Only we are fasting everything. Oh God, How many of them GOs will be on this level? I can name fasting. This one, that one. If you are singing Bible and I don't do this one, don't do Meta fasting did like this. Did like this. You're not watching our videos like wow. Most of the GO one low level they are today. Ha! I can abandon that type of chicken and more red wine and if for herself. Anyways, you guys will be seeing most of them on social media. I name fine boy, name Jerry Coil, name Yisi. Now I can't voyage for every two days. Now I could designers because one name of level but all can remain that same person. All can remain that simple. All can they make his what are they calling it now? To help the needy. His humanitarian work. How can they make you an aga? I remember some bastard. Ya pute ba me as a member. This and that one. Chineke sirai. Chineke give me Kiana body yourself. God gave me work to go against this movement. I will kunka. Nachi hospital. Some undenka who ye unsobu how like anyuku. Onwe ho na Chineke gwara anybody against evangelist Ebuka. Onwe ho if at all no mwe gwara him no evil spirit because most of them they possess. I'm already. You know? For those of you who Unfiltered soon get appreciate, at least encourage Onya despite the differences. Ibure zure na say oji menka we bastard came for say Ebuka go arrange Anambra State. Nda arrange abatakwa I gejikwe nka me arrange also. I was like seriously. Some of these people abugo home and they're gonna wake a bauru no wa. A lot of them. Oh no if some of you will have sense, you will acknowledge the fact that this man and this ministry are cast since 2022. I've been 21. Oga Kieba Saza ministry and the Ihenina Anako Bido Unke, you know, attack propaganda. You guys can like acknowledge the fact that this minister and this person attack a crackers biscuit since 5 years ago, a bit since 4 years ago. But come on, gather or now bagu. All those who tantrums, backbiting, everything, propaganda, and a push there. Instead of gather, you guys could say, man, and I just quiz you. By here, I'm Bambonia, only can die. Only how was ordinary something. And he gave man many of you on. Many of you because for life. He gave many of you because for life. You can never acknowledge that hey, only are the different. You know? But when you get married, one thing about God, like I always tell people, especially in the Kama FC, and then I manufacture Kama, Enugu State. Jesus Christ FC. Ndi na free email mbare nigwe. Ndi na communicate with NJ Michael direct. Ndi Enugu. One thing I used to tell them, or what I told them last time, one thing I like about God is that God don't care about your stupid emotion. If you like it, maybe ni game, kweli ni geku, metaki ebu maputo onya, maybe ni game. He knows the truth. He sees our heart. God is not stupid. I don't care about nah. You can make the fasting now, Osa wogi. You can make the fast. You can say bugida and ikberega kwachasta. Still, God can never listen to that prayer. God can never approve that prayer because he won't need it. Because some man obosikwa na mmụọ ka ịnọsi eme nka nke ọzọkwa ihe anụ ahụ. God knows that na mba nke ọzọkwa ihe anụ ahụ ka a na-eme ya abosikwa nke spirit. Ị na-asị kama ndị na manufacture kama. What is fake we fail. What is fake we fail. Abi what is real we guys are studio but when nanu be no. What is fake we fail. Abi what is fake we not stand. Okay, guys are so iba self. Karma is coming. Karma will karma you. Okay. I beg. I'm go for there. I watch China on social media recently. I'm like I don't actually don't you go for there is some of these things are like this. I'm gonna get with himself. Ndi karma will karma you. Think God is stupid. Chera Chineke that he believe. Ichera Chineke so geri okpa nsuka. Idi chi okpa nsuka mmanu okpa tụgharịa gị brain. E putazi on social media na-ekwu eri. Iche na God so geri okpa nsuka na Pepsi jiri oyi. Eri okpa anom na if o na agwa m na if okpa 500 keta ị ga-eti mkpu. O dey pempe. Iri okpa 500 enwo Coke 50 cl ko we ko ga for kibo ya the whole day. Then put us on social media. You think God eat those things with you? It actually so get reason ko onye mmanu okpa nsoka no n'isi. What is fake will fail. What is fake? What the other be call me? What is fake will fail. Within a short, this guy has so you by yourself. Karma will karma you. You come back from Canada. You come back from Canada empty-handed. See yourself, see that. Baro we guru. Most of you now full video now. Most of you are now watching. Una ku biga na fugu se ne yapo begi. Because so the main problem in Christianity today. Oh we basic woman and keep us. Oh no cause confusion and trouble. Somebody said, and where is that comment safe? This is coming 5 months after he commissioned the orphanage and old people's home at Owerri, Imo State. Of course. This project, all you get German Otegaka be the project here. All these things, Otegaka. That's why I'm not doubting when he said that this has been his dream from childhood. You know, because this project we had to take 1 or 2 years away. We are for people like trying to those people. You know, you get German this dream push you here. He's trying to do it to buy people's heart or this one, that one. Some bastard they are watching. See, no, Ndigbo kwesiri okay, Ndigbo kwesiri karo heba netindiara. Ndigbo kwesiri karo mega city. This one, that one. Don't worry, give one ekuya. O gara gebido ye wage ke ga ama the value of that place aro. O Chineke ogo ka ga afu gi we pick e ga do we die. O gara gebido mo wage, most of you nekuya ki ama the value of that place. Aro. Ndi ochi. God will bless Evangelist Ebuka and Self Ministry because I'll do easy. It's not easy at all. It's not easy. You know. Ezoku na ndị Bible ndị abụrụ chere ụlọ m ka a na-ataka crackers biscuits anọ ihe na-emerụ ndị Igbo. Ọ bụ na ọmụ akụ na-ataka crackers biscuits a week out on social media. Shemba onwe ihe ọ na-emerụ unu. Ọmụ awa aka onye weta. But they say Ebuka nwoke obiọma na. Nwoke obiọma. Nwoke obiọma. Ntacha ya ka crackers biscuits ọ ka nkwa na-emerụ unu something. Jesus, no, you have to go. Of course, the governor was very happy. I saw Governor Soludo, very happy, and I commend him also for trying to. His speeches came from his heart sincerely. You know, I love his speech. Like, he's a sincere man. Governor Soludo is a sincere man. I'm not going to have a crackers biscuit recently. I said, no, 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 mouth order. I'm casting on governor in this. When you man have na social media, people get problem. Yeah, a whole governor is on your ACC, no me body order. Facebook, all they call this thing, a gentle call na governor Ndigbo state, so ya we may meeting. I say, is it boss? The thing is that sometimes when I see people that don't understand how social media works, I will be laughing. If you're a young person, he can't not dwell so much on information or whatever in our phone social media. They take care. It won't need. Because as far as I'm concerned, 80% of things are na agwagi on social media was a fallacy. Is it was I say because I can use myself as an example. I know many horrible things they have said against me on this social media, and unfortunately, people believed. People believe when they push that rubbish statement. Why I know that no, this is not me. You know, sometimes when I come out and see some of this on social media, I say, I may use you myself. Kasi atagodomwa. We remember about me asking me radio no and the no truth. My nigga for following their blood, he push go and I hope Governor Hope so when the unknown may meeting. Also may meeting also this one that you know our people the senseless. That's why I said MA became president of Nigeria today. The first thing me will block all social media. Ma block Facebook. Unyo na na chazo na NTA. Unyo na chazo na Internet TV kapitania. Unyo na chazo na NTA News 10. Kwenu radio. That is what I will do. Hello. Face the other family. Oh. Na kama wacha to go do mission bere die na. Oyi na atu. He has the mind of Christ. Of course, Chioma Sonites. If I say Ebuka, I won't be your man. I won't be your man. somebody like me who is Igbo onye obi akpọ. I know send you. Pyawa chakwa gas on Sunday ngakwa ụka. God will understand. Man of unu born before my time. That will not name a cozy song. This major don't have monitor them. I don't have fucking stress. It's fucking strength, bro. You know, God, they're not trouble. Of course, that's why I said that Governor Soludo is very sincere on his speech. Like his statement came from his heart. All the sincere enough on those things he said. You know, it will always be a big privilege to meet somebody like Evangelist Ebuka. Or Makarabro for the buy on. Makarabro for the buy on. That's why I said all Ndigbo buy me hage joke akana abujide Evangelist Ebuka no. Like haga dodia na trouser. Na che dokasia bossa as self. Cause the one it happen biko happen. Hajidia. Na adoya ka adori ya bossas. Because so onye wu opotaku oku people must listen. Onye wu like forget all this rubbish and on social media. Only if you go do in person self. The mother do na hello, how are you? Na komazi about half from hane ferumaka biko kwem. I'm ready for omazi biko kwem. Komazi about half from abokutem. Ana abokutem. Adibe kwem ready for omazi. Kamadi ga kwari jeta one day. That's how one day I see I know see her. I call you or alcohol. Ejo. When can if you can I chuck up here? Can could ha. But wow. I'm ready for kiss right now. And if I'm part this thing not about too much. I'll come to the motor and here. And I'm a mama put today. This evening. I'm not sure. You can just put here and here. I'm parking it. It's on my shop. No, this our parking space. So our parking space sometimes can be misbehaved. What is the percentage? I'm happy about because listen, I don't add that too much. I'm happy about. I don't add that too much. Say they like you now, them. That's what I'm saying now. Yeah, children like me from day one, and I love them. I love children from day one, anyways. But in us, na Oma's na Doctor Ginson, the man each game on one. Are they home ready? I'm not ready for Oma's for now. You know, a small boy like me. A small boy like me can answer half. Nah. So they should wait for now. I can chill good and go do life one day. You know. Catch a good one day. A small boy like me. I don't need them. For now, I don't need them. Yeah. So, you know, that's how we do it here in Canada. You don't rush kids. You don't rush making babies, you know. We always take our time. We don't rush making babies. They head on Canada. Yeah, you hear you no, yeah. Really, yeah. You're not fair. Inwe look no Canada keno. Oh no, na Nigeria keno. Aka ge hoge jigi me pepper soup. Before it? Yeah, kezi ya na pio para beat with yourself. Ya na boy ya. Ke ya na boy ya na watch video. Ke ya na boy ya. Ke ka na for that thing. Ora beat now. Oh yeah, jure every year. Yeah, you jure every year. I forget sometimes on abakute gi. Na go na hang with local. Yeah, Canada. Obono Nigeria. Aka gi ji ofu mezigbo pepper soup. Tie ezigbo ose. Mana na ihe ada ebe a enwa akpụ ihe a. Nwa akpụ ihe akpọrọ gị police. Kubo ihe na ị ga-afụ one idiot gara na ebe ni na-ebe akwa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You don't have to do that. Oh my god. Little puppy. Ihe a ifre ya. Wiki isi tụọ ihe. If one idiot onye ọcha ya nọ na n'ebe bidobe akwa kpọrọ police. You have to hurt innocent animal. You have to hurt innocent animal. Oh my god. Hi. Maybe for the world ya ha na-ezu ebe a. Fucking tired, bro. Fucking tired. My kitchen is messed. Kitchen in the very messed. Kitchen is messed. Very messed. Really messed. See you guys later. Take care. See you guys later. Shira Kumako. I'm not going to enjoy my baby first. Before I rap home. Then I cook.